Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows 11 updates aren't pending and that you've restarted once. This clears common lockups. Next, open Device Manager and note the exact network adapter name so you download a matching driver. If your PC lacks internet, use another device to get the OEM or chipset driver and save it to a USB. Once done, plug the USB into the affected PC and keep Device Manager open for the next steps. You'll now attempt a controlled reinstall. In Device Manager, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer and point to the USB folder. If the adapter still misbehaves, uninstall device and check Delete Driver software to remove corrupt files, then scan for hardware changes. When prompted, run the OEM setup. EXE from the downloaded package or use the Have Disk option to force the correct INF. These steps replace bad files. Finish by restarting the PC to let services initialize, then test connectivity with a quick ping to 888 and open a website. If it still fails, immediately roll back the driver in Device Manager or run Windows Network Troubleshooter to capture errors. Make sure adapter is enabled in Settings and BIOS/UEFI hasn't disabled onboard networking. If necessary, reset those settings to defaults. These final checks catch firmware-level blocks and ensure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.